Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a frustrating issue that many iPhone users face: private browsing not showing up in Safari. If you've ever gone to open a new private browsing tab, only to find the option completely missing, you're not alone. It's a common problem, but luckily, it's usually an easy fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps to get private browsing back on your iPhone. We'll cover everything from restrictions in your settings to potential parental controls, so stick around. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support.
Okay, let's get started.
Step 1. Check content and privacy restrictions. The most common reason why private browsing disappears is due to restrictions enabled in your iPhone settings. Here's how to check that. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. 3. If you haven't set up Screen Time before, you might need to enable it first. If it's already enabled, continue. 4. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. 5. If Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on, tap on it. If it's turned off, this isn't the issue, so you can skip to the next potential solution. 6. Within Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on Content Restrictions.
7. Scroll down to the web content section.
8. Make sure the option selected is either unrestricted access or allowed websites only. If it's set to limited adult websites, this is likely blocking private browsing. 9. Change it to unrestricted access and then go back to Safari and see if private browsing is now visible.
Step 2. Restart your iPhone ***.
Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches that might be causing the problem. Here's how to restart your iPhone. *4 iPhones with Face ID * press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. *4 iPhones with a home button * press and hold the side or top button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side or top button until you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone restarts, open Safari and check if the private browsing option is back. Step 3. Check for iOS updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Apple often releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance. To check for updates: 1. Go to Settings, General Software Update. 2. If there's an update available, download and install it. Step 4. Reset all settings, use with caution.
***.
If none of the above steps work, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will reset all your settings to their default values, but it won't delete any of your data, photos, videos, apps, etc. However, you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and customize your settings again. Here's how to reset all settings. 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone.
2. Tap on ***, reset ***.
3. Choose Reset all settings. 4. Enter your passcode if prompted. This process can take a few minutes. Once your iPhone restarts, check if private browsing is available in Safari.
Conclusion.
And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has helped you get private browsing back on your iPhone. Remember to double-check your content and privacy restrictions first, as that's the most common culprit. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.